Conquering Mega Eagle. As previously promised, we have done something with this little seatbelt. What is it? Seatbelt tensioning device charge. Tiny little charge. We made a gun, a little pistol. It consists of a barrel, 8mm ball bearing to fire, and charge, and the stopper pin to stop it all flying back in our faces. Hopefully, yeah. Take that. Expertly crafted by, I don't know who did it. Wasn't us. Definitely wasn't us. Barrel goes in like that. There's no safety on this, so you have to be very careful. Basically, the charge goes onto the goes onto the connector there. I think we're going to test it again, make sure there's no voltage there before we plug it in. And then the ball drops down the barrel. It's nicely rusty, so it doesn't fall all the way down. And then with the cartridge in the back there, snaps together, and then the bolt goes in the back there. We'll just take it outside and see what it can do.
Got it the right way around. Don't aim it towards me. Yeah.
Entrance hole. And it looks like it's dented on the back. No, it hasn't. Wishful thinking. It did not come through. I wonder how far it went. It went in there. Yeah, obviously this is incredibly hard oak. Not fucking shitty socket. Anyway, that was fun, wasn't it?